let me start. Yeah, I didn't know.
I never thought about doing construction in my Jordans, but they're actually pretty freaking nice. Oh. Climbing across the joist, I kind of feel like it gets all tilty, like hangs on. It's kind of cool. But then you think about it, it's like, aren't they like baseball shoes or something? Isn't that what Michael Jordan did? I did not expect doing construction in Jordans to be so comfortable. It was so good, and I thought like going across the joist and like being on rafters and stuff was gonna be like dangerous because they don't look like they're that grippy, and I'm used to like using like hiking boots or like boots with like grippy shit on the bottom of them. But this one was not. It's not bad. And if you think about it, it's made to grip like really smooth hardwood floors and play. What did Michael Jordan play? Soccer or baseball? I don't know nothing about sports ball. But I'm telling you, I might. And these aren't like the expensive Jordans, right? These are just like these. Oh shit. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh. But these are just like these Jordans. I don't know what kind of Jordans they are. They're like the air ball 17s. But I don't know nothing about sports. Like seriously, I don't even know how many like home runs it took for Taylor Swift to win the Super Bowl. And I live in Kansas City, and I'm not even like super far from stadiums. I think there's two. We got two stadiums. I'm trying to build another stadium, like move one of them to like right in the middle of the city, where there's already like no traffic or parking or anything. And everybody's like trying to vote against it. Yeah, remember, vote against it in April. For those of you that believe our vote still matters. As if they're not just gonna use a bunch of dead people's social security numbers to sway it in their favor and spend billions of tax dollars on not fixing the potholes in the roads. So I have to continue to buy more tires. I got a headache. I think I'm getting sick. But if you got some like throwaway Jordans that like you've been kicking it and like just using them as like daily drivers for like a while, and you get a construction job that don't need like steel toes or like impact resistant stuff, Jordans are nice. Jordans are good shoes to do construction with.